lots of nice food.
We got some new technology going on today, so we'll see how it works, yeah?
Oh, hopefully we can be on top of that.
Exactly. Yeah, I'm sure it'll go fine. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. It's Tuesday, our first show of the week, because yesterday was a holiday in Poland, so we didn't film anything yesterday. So good that we're all here ready to go. Tomorrow starts the SEE Awards. Yeah. If you haven't signed up for Southeastern European Real Estate Awards, now is the time to do it. We're starting the whole event tomorrow with two great panels. One covering in the industrial markets, which of course I think in the whole world, but Southeastern Europe going extremely well in Romania, Bulgaria, and also for the in Serbia. And then we a lot to talk about. Great speakers. At least check the website and see who we've got. We really got the movers and shakers on for that. We've got our CEO networking, which is a lot of fun. It's we do it on a Zoom call, and we have all of the CEOs and participants of the event on the Zoom call, and everyone gets to talk a little bit about what they're doing. That's at 11:30 CET time. And also, then we do our retail, or we have a retail panel from 1 to 2. Very exciting things. We have Nevena on from SEE Retail Group, and of course AFI Europe, and a few other of the big players. So join us for that. So great start tomorrow, and then in the evening, the jury dinner, which is always a lot of fun. So launching all of that, quite interesting things. A few interesting business things today. I was watching the Miami Open, the tennis tournament, yesterday, and yesterday was the finals. And actually, Hubert Hurkacz, living in Wrocław, Polish champion, he actually won the whole tournament. So,
yeah, my mother-in-law mentioned it. I didn't know what she was talking about.
Sponsored by Lotos, and of course Yonex, which is a big tennis, Polish tennis producer of equipment. So good to see. So good your mother-in-law's on it.
They love tennis.
Really? It was I wouldn't say I'm a lover of it, but we watched it. It was really exciting. So kind of some interesting investment and. In sports news there, I thought we had to mention any Polish superstars in the sports arena that we know about.
Put Poland on the map.
Yeah, exactly. He was really good. Good game. So lots of exciting news in the commercial real estate field, and we definitely want to come to that right away. So welcome Winston Norman from EuropaProperty.com. Winston, welcome, and thanks
Good morning, Craig.
Your great job helping us. And as you know, we always promote our sponsors and advertisers, and so we'll start with our 20-second commercial right before they get all of your pearls of wisdom and knowledge, and then we'll come back after our commercial break and start off with the news. You enjoyed our CEE Awards commercial, and hope you'll join us tomorrow and Thursday. And Winston, let's just jump right into what's going on.
Sure, Craig. Okay, so we'll begin with news from Deutsche Pfandbriefbank, and they've provided an investment loan facility for 115 million euros to a fund managed by the real estate group of Aris Management Corporation.
Oh, great. Okay.
Yeah. And they will use this proceeds to finance a logistics portfolio in Poland. So more good news for the logistics market, and following the trends that we're seeing in
more
that
money
sector.
pouring on the market. Yeah.
More money coming in. The portfolio consists of 4 assets, and it's in key logistic destinations across northern and southern Poland. All properties are the newly built and Class A. They're located in Gdansk, Katowice, Sosnowiec, Poznan and Wrocław, and the portfolio comprises of 285,500 square meters of gross leasable area.
Wow, big.
It's very big. And moving on and staying in Poland, and at a recent BONARD online presentation.
Mm-hmm.
BONARD are a leading provider of independent, reliable international education and student housing data and research. They say that Central and Eastern Europe is the place to be for investors interested in the private student housing sector.
Mm-hmm.
According to their CEO, Samuel Vetrak, he says that other markets in Europe are either mature or just emerging. But Central and Eastern Europe, in Central and Eastern Europe, the timing and fundamentals are perfect.
Yeah, and they do have great news. I mean, we're even using a lot of their stats and a lot of their information and their partners with us on the CEE Investment Awards on this part of with the student housing. Mm-hmm. So they're taking it seriously. We're taking it seriously.
Yeah, just to continue a bit about the online presentation, which was very interesting, and their research shows that capital's looking for opportunities in the sector, and Central Eastern Europe has been among the most sought after real estate markets when it comes to private student housing. With Poland naturally taking the lead, and a circa 1 billion euros of capital now looking at Poland.
They can buy a lot of student housing for that, or build a lot. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and one of the reasons why investors are so excited about the student housing sector is that it's generally performing better than other sectors during the pandemic times. Mm-hmm. It's reinforcing its anti-cyclical, and it's got defensive credentials.
Wow, great.
Yeah, and so another new sector which is gaining momentum.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Moving on and staying in the logistics sector, CTP, which was recently listed on the Euronext Amsterdam,
mm-hmm.
they've announced the acquisition of an industrial park in Slovakia.
Oh, great.
Of 145,000 square meters after completion. And CTP plans to invest 200 million euros into Slovakia over the next 2 years. And they intend to double their current portfolio there in 12 locations.
Wow, big investment for Slovakia. Yeah.
Big investment, mm-hmm. and they're currently developing or working on 88,000 square meters in Slovakia,
mm-hmm.
and all their portfolio are being constructed to BREEAM standards. Excellent. And this is to go with CTP's long-term commitment to sustainability and carbon neutral operations.
Excellent. Well, it's good to see that all the industrial guys are keeping carbon neutral.
Yeah, and just to finish off today, mm-hmm. In the Czech Republic, there's a new innovation announced. Dealdirect.cz mm-hmm. is an online platform offering rentals of unique commercial properties in the Czech Republic without brokers and commissions.
Oh, I guess the brokers will be really happy about this new platform. Okay.
Yeah, and again, it's people coming up with many innovations today,
Uh-huh.
in all aspects of the real estate industry. And according to the founder of Deal Direct, Richard Curring, this platform allows tenants to have more control over negotiations, and they can determine for themselves which spaces are most suitable and negotiate directly with their landlords. No brokers, no commissions, just direct deals. It's that simple.
Excellent. Well, let's wrap it up for today, and we'll see you all at the SCE Awards, and Coffee with Craig will be Friday morning.